Um, we promised he would be back later in the show. This is the moment. Gregor, are you there?
Yes, I'm back.
Awesome. So Gregor, how are you doing?
Good. I think it's been an amazing event. I'm actually really excited and enjoying it, the whole event.
Yes.
How about you?
I'm doing fine. The sun is setting here in Antwerp, and I like this because as this event comes to an end, the day is also coming to an end here, and I love that it goes hand in hand. I especially loved like Taylor's panel until now. I think that was like really inspirational to see like all these EVM people. How do you say this? Like all these EVM projects like coming together, which to me really shows like the power of what we are about to do. Um, so,
Yeah.
but anyway, Gregor, I'm here to host, not to answer your questions.
Oh,
Um,
oh,
so,
great. Yeah.
yeah, go ahead, please give us your amazing last
So
thoughts.
let's just quickly wrap it up and get ready for the AMA.
Awesome.
I
I'll be
think
back if you call me.
we just let's have a brief look. So, like you said, what did we see today? I think it's a very exciting event. It's in a way, as it I think it was pointed out a couple of times, we shouldn't be looking at Swarm as just some kind of a simple product chasing one kind of an end user case. In this regard, maybe one of the takeaways of the event today is that more appropriate it is to look at Swarm as the narrow waist, so-called narrow waist that enables Web3, that enables fair data economy. And if you just think about like all the exciting things today, so deploying, thinking of starting the B client. So what just happened today in this regard is the Swarm network was started. There will be only more nodes, only more storage, more data stored, and more dApps to come. We had like really good. I wish it would be longer. The panel with IOV Labs, with ETC Labs, and Ethereum Foundation, and it was great to see the shared values and the ideas of interoperability, how all these things should work together. And we've seen demos, all kinds of different demos that also these applications that are being developed or already being used today for serious use cases, they can also all work together. So in this sense, if we look at Swarm being this enabler, this narrow waist where it can complement other blockchain, it can complement blockchains and other systems in pushing towards the world computer, and on the other side, unlock a rich and diverse ecosystem. I think this is when we are starting to realize that only together we are building something really nice and big, essentially. Now, how this happens, we'll just fly quickly through this. We will elaborate more on it in future blog posts, but there's this little change. So the costs of hosting are basically transferred to the end user, and these are like minimal costs. It doesn't hurt the user, but it does have like a big effect on the developers. So a developer can develop an application, and let's imagine this goes viral and it gets 1 million users. In the traditional paradigm, the thing is that this developer would be kind of stuck because the server costs would become like really high. And this would either force the developer to take some investment, or to think about how to monetize things, or like we saw recently also with Rome Research, a popular project, they just had to lock down the signups because of this problem. And this is where Swarm differs. So if you have a popular content, actually Swarm gets just stronger for you. It becomes like a very powerful CDN delivering content really fast. And all this also has other consequences. We see in Swarm that this data layer actually enables unbundling of the app into the UI and the algorithms and the data layer. And this is enabling a really fertile ground for collaboration. And this is what actually fair data economy is about. It's not a zero-sum game. It's all about collaboration, and it's really filling me with joy to see already this collaboration happening now, and also hopefully today with this event we could bring it closer to you. At this point, we really need to say a big thank you to all who supported us. It's been outlined before that, yes, Swarm was incubated for years within Ethereum Foundation, and uh, this was crucial in for Swarm becoming what it is. But Swarm wouldn't be possible also without partners who believed in us early on. And here, it's really big thank you needs to go to IOV Labs and Ethereum Classic Labs. We've been working together for a while, and it's really also good to see how the principles of alacrity Swarm are actually happening in real time. So, and the team members, basically, sometimes we don't know where Swarm ends and other projects begin. So how can you be part of Swarm? This is maybe the last thing to address before we move to the AMA. As we pointed out several times today, builders, welcome. So Swarm really enables a lot of, creates a lot of new space for development with low-level API being opened up. It also enables a whole new plethora of protocols, applications, not just end-user dApps. Then if you're working with special projects, such as, for example, how Visium presented the COVID, their activities related to COVID, get in touch with us. We might connect you to the others. It's all about fostering collaboration. Maybe we can throw in a couple of our ideas as well. If you are interested in becoming an early backer, also contact us. So there are several ways how to get involved in Swarm, and we are hoping in the spirit of the openness and collaboration that there will be, so to speak, many new API endpoints, how you can connect to Swarm and how we can work together. And with this, I hope that this event today inspired some more developers to start building software for sovereignty. And we hope we share this journey together. Thank you. And back to you, Michelle.
Thank you so much, Gregor. I can't wait to keep on sharing this journey with you in the coming years because it's been a fabulous and very, very exciting ride and to get here where we all are today together.
I also so honored just, you know, being able to work on this, being able to work with such wonderful people. I think also, last but not least, we didn't speak much about this, but I think the Swarm community is a really beautiful space. So thank you all. Yeah.
So Gregor, please stop talking because I'm gonna get tears in my eyes and I have to still finish this event. So afterwards we'll cry together. I look forward to that. So Gregor, thank you so much. You can stay on because we